Hi everyone, 大家好. Today's Friday, 今天是星期五, and I'm here in Scotland. I'm doing a 1-week hiking trip. The word for Scotland in Chinese Mandarin is 苏格兰, and I'm staying at a really cute cottage. The word for cottage in Chinese Mandarin is 小木屋. And fingers crossed that the weather is going to be nice, although we have checked and it looks like there's going to be a lot of rain expected. But anyhow, this is Scotland weather for you. So I'm really happy for you to join me on this trip. Hi everyone, 大家好. Today is the Isle of Skye hiking day and we are at Eilean Castle. So castle is just behind me, and castle in Chinese Mandarin is 城堡. So we're only here for half an hour before we move on to the main hike in Isle of Skye. So this is day 3 of hiking. Absolutely brutal weather and fashion as well, because I am wearing a jacket that was lent by the organizer, because my own one was sipping through with water. So that's why I look like Kenny from South Park. The hike is nearly finishing, so I'm really happy. Yeah.